Hi friends, it's time for us to complete the Unit 2 review. That means we've completed another unit in math, which is exciting. You guys are doing an awesome job. So what I need you to do is get pages 59. We're going to complete 59 and 60 out of your math workbook. The review is actually 4 pages, but we're going to break it up into 2 days. So we'll do these 2 pages today and the next 2 pages tomorrow. Okay, so this is a review of all the things we've been talking about the last couple of weeks and the things that we've been practicing in math. I'm going to quickly go over what they're wanting you to do, and then your job is to try to complete as much of this as you can by yourself without your adult. You can ask your adult for help reading the words and the directions, but try to do this on your own as much as you can, okay? So on the top, it says write the partners and the total. So you're given pictures. So for example, on number 1, you have pictures of flowers. There's a line through these pictures, you'll notice. That is separating the partners. So on number 1, you're going to count the amount of flowers that are in this first portion. Put that partner here, and then count the amount of the flowers that are in the second portion, and put that partner there. Add the partners together to get the total and write your total here. You could add it by counting each individual one, or you can count on, however you would like. So you're going to do the same thing for problems 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down here at the bottom, the directions say write the partners and total, then write the equation. So it's pretty similar to what you did on top. This time you're just counting the red amount, counting the white amount. Those are your partners that you will add together to get a total. But this time you're going to write the equation or the number sentence that will match what those numbers are. You're going to flip it over. This is the part where there's some reading, so you might need to have your adult help you read some of these words, and that's okay. The directions say find the total number of toys in each group. So this is where there's some amount hidden in the box, and then there's some on the outside, and you have to add those 2 partners together to get the total. So for example, on number 7, it says there are 5 cars in the box. So I'm just going to write the number 5 to remind me that there's 5 cars in there. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the outside. You need to figure out what the amount in the box is, which is 5, plus the amount outside of the box would total. So 5 and 4 are the partners. Remember when we practiced this, we just figured out how many were hiding, and we touched that number and we counted on. So we would say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write your totals in the box for each one of these, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down at the bottom, the directions say underline the greater number and count on from that number. So when we did this assignment where we were underlining the greater number, some kids forgot to do that. You need to underline the greater number in each equation, put that number over your heart, and count on the lesser number. For example, on number 11, we're adding 3 plus 7 equals blank. So you need to ask yourself, which is greater, 3 or 7? 7 is greater, so I'm going to underline it. I'm going to put that number over my heart, and you can't see me doing this, but you can hear me, and I'm going to say 7, and then count on 3 more. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I got my total, and I'll write it right there. When you're finished, please take a picture of both sides and submit this.